What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk, No Premium back with another episode of the Funky Futures, right? Funky Futures. Well, today we were able to long I thought we maybe get 4,000, but we had a nice dip into that overnight demand area and rode that up. So very nice action today. We initially, what did we have? Where did we have that reject? Well, at first, we were holding that 40.52 if you were playing the pre-market action. Then we got up to 72s I was talking about before, but I put the new level at 40.77 because obviously that is the new high. But that's where we rejected from, or basically 70s. I was looking at 72. Now, until tomorrow, what should we expect? We have a plethora of data coming out in the morning, right? Real disposable income, real consumer spending, PCE, that all comes 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time before market opens, 1 hour. Okay, then 30 minutes after the market opens, we have University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, 1 and 5 year inflation expectation, and pending home sales. So you need to know when all those are coming out. Okay. So like more than likely, I'll be up trading the futures during the data release. But I more than likely will just wait until the market really settles down to get in any trades. Okay. Especially after we die down in the pre-market, I'll probably wait the first 30 minutes to see what type of reaction that we're going to have going into the consumer sentiment index and the 5-year inflation expectation. That always produces a pretty decent move. So on to the levels for tomorrow. What do we get? Okay. I'm seeing two things. Okay, two things that could happen. Let me just zoom out here. Let me go to 4 hour. I like this chart a lot better. I'm seeing two things that could happen here. Okay, first one is this. I am seeing that we can have a gap up. And if we gap up, I would love to see a reject anywhere between 40.90 and 41.10. Okay, more so towards the 41.10, I think would be the greater reject. Okay, 41.05 to 41.10, I would definitely be looking for a reject and definitely be looking for a nice move down from there. That's if we gap up tomorrow on the news. I'd look to possibly fade it. Okay, I'd look to possibly fade it. Above there, if we do get above there, maybe we trend all the way up. You could definitely take a reject 41.43 and then 41.80 above there. But I think if we gap up tomorrow, you want to be looking about 41.10-ish as a place to take a short. Now, what happens tomorrow if we gap down? If we gap down, well, if we gap down, I want to see if we break underneath this 40.50 level has been decently important. Do we come back down to today's low? That's what I want to look at. And if we don't bounce in there, we are more than likely going to see this 4,000 level. Okay, more than likely going to see the 4,000 level where we could probably take a bounce as well. If that breaks, we will more than likely flush all the way down to 39.50s from there. Okay, so plan for tomorrow, gap up. I look to fade it anywhere above 40.90, 41.05 to 41.10, even better. If we go down initially on the data, I'd want to see if we can take a bounce at 40.30, okay, today's low, or 4,000. All righty. If we 4,000, you're gonna leave. If mic check, hopefully you can hear me. If we're gonna be underneath 4,000, you're gonna look at 39.50 below there. If that breaks, oof boy, we're gonna have a long way down until the early 3900s level. Okay, so that's it. Pop up, gonna be looking to fade it at resistance. If we drop down, looking to take it at the support. Really simple stuff, guys. Wake up early. Don't do anything stupid. I'll see you bright and early